3D printed yo-yo. Okay, I have to do some tricks with this. I know. Let me just first give my honest review. So, this sucks. Here's what happens if I try and throw it down. Back. Come back. Yeah, it kind of is impossible to do this. Except I'm going to try and attempt to do the DNA on this yo-yo. And let me just say, it's not the unresponsive one, because it's kind of impossible to do an unresponsive DNA on this. Except, guys, tell me if I should do the unresponsive DNA on this. But I'm going to just try and do the responsive. Okay, so it doesn't I have to bind it even though it's on a responsive bearing. First attempt. What the? That was not good. Okay, I'm gonna try tighten the string. Oh! Yeah, that's how bad